Alright guys, we're back again today. I'm a little sick today, sorry, but I'm here for you guys, ready to rock and roll, get this done. So today I'm going to show you how to do a guest hotspot, like with a nice interface and everything on UNIFI. It's really cool. If you just want to make your Wi-Fi that much cooler, especially for the guest, this is only for the guest network, just giving you a heads up. Because remember, I don't care who it is, my mom, my dad, there's no reason for any guests, like family or friends, to have to get on my main network. All they need to do is the internet. That's all they need. And I don't want to risk anything they have on their stuff. I don't know what they do. I don't care what IT person they are, what they do. What's the point? They don't need to be on my network. Only they have the internet. Maybe printer every once in a while. But how often does some family member come over and go, I need to print? They can get on your computer really quick, print whatever they need, and be done with it. That's why you keep them separate. Keep yourself safe. It's very important. That's why we do VLANs, baby. But yeah, guest hotspot is to bring your place to a new level. If you have an Airbnb, a hotel, a business with a lounge in it, and you just want it to bring it up to that next professional looking level, this is the video for you. All right, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to have to do is create a network, obviously. We need to create a network for this. We'll go create a new network. We're going to name it test, G-U-E-S-T, guest. We're going to, yep, that's the router we're going to do it on. That's all fine. We're going to go to manual, and we're going to have to select guest network. So you have to do this. It's not going to work. This is the guest network. It's basically going to isolate. Your guest network profile will automatically be tied to a guest network. Connected clients will be isolated from all other internal networks. These restrictions can be modified in your guest hotspot profile. So yes, that's what we'll be going to profiles after. So it's going to be awesome possum. Don't worry. That's all you're going to need. If you want to change the DNS to your Pi-hole or whatever, you guys can watch that in other videos and stuff. But yeah. Let's just, all you need to do, basic network, safe restrictions, let's go. Let's go to add network. Next, we're going to go to Wi-Fi. We got to do Wi-Fi. Create another one. We're going to call this one test, guest, password. We don't need a password. Otherwise, the web interface that the guest portal is going to have, it's going to have its own password. If you do twice, it's going to have double the password. I'm not saying you can't do it, but you really don't need it. So what we're going to do is network. So we need to select what network. We did the guest test, so we need to go to test guest. That's the one we want it on. So next, we're going to go to manual. See, Wi-Fi bands, 2.54. Just leave it that. It's automatically with band steering enabled. It's going to be one network, one name. You don't have to put 2.4 or 5. It's automatically going to move you. So if you're using high bandwidth stuff and you're in the range of 5 gigahertz, guess what? You're going to be on the 5 gigahertz. If it just senses that you're using high bandwidth or you're just out of range of 5 gigahertz, it's automatically going to put you to 2.4 without you having to do nothing. You just keep using it as normal. It's cool. Just leave it like that. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we want to make sure this is open. It's probably going to be in WPA3. If we did this, it's not going to work because it needs a password with those. All these other protocols need passwords. Like I said, if you want to double the passwords, that's up to you. I don't. So we're going to name it open. We're going to hit add network. Next, what we're going to do is go to profiles. We're going to go to password. See, it already has password. Usually it's going to have nothing by default. You can select totally a lot of different vouchers, payment methods. Now what you can do is you can have both. So vouchers, you can have vouchers and passwords. So you have two protocols that you can have for different people, and for like to add the new voucher, time, place, it'll create the voucher code that you can give to multiple people, how many users. It's pretty cool. You can set limits and rates and everything. It is freaking amazing. So I'm just going to have this one password, just like this. Remember, this is going to be off by default. We're going to have this on. I'm just showing you. I already created one. I wanted to make like a nice kind of like Airbnb style kind of cabin because it's up in the woods one. Pretty cool. I uploaded my own image. You can use selected images. So you can search all their images, or you could be like, let's just say cat. K-A-T. Cat. Cats come up, or woods. Let's do woods. The woods come up. So there's all different things that you can do just to make your thing more epic, more, surreal or whatever you're trying to do for whatever. Or you can just upload your own image, which I did. I just picked this wood one I like, found online. I love it, so I picked that one myself. Logo, put your own logo in there. Remember, keep your logo not too big, not too small, but just right, and it'll look freaking amazing like this. Okay, then after this, you can do all the colors, the link box color, the button color. Let's just see. We have the red button right here, right? Let's change that red button to dark green. Let's see here. We'll go to green. It'll bring it down to this green, and there we go. Now that button's a dark green. I kind of like it the red. I think it looks more nicer, so we're going to keep it the red. Boom. Text color, let's see here. There's different texts. So when you click the link here, it's going to make a new text because this is going to be your authentication. So if you go down here, this is going to be off by default, but I want terms of service. So like, hey, by accepting this, you're not going to do any unlawful activity on my network, and you'd agree to not do anything that's against the law, kind of an agreement. You can edit this yourself, but they kind of pre-configure one for you. Then down here, you can do welcome. So after you did your password, you could be like, oh, you were the coolest family member ever. Enjoy my beastly network or something weird or whatever you want to put, or just say, hey, welcome. Or I'm watching you or something funny like that. You could do all that. And then you could put under logo or above logo the welcome text when it comes. So it's pretty cool. And then you can do manual other stuff if you want to do just the ports and everything like that. You don't even have to worry about that. Just keep that auto. Don't worry about it. If you want default expiration, expires after 8 hours, 24 hours. I would just keep it. I mean, you can do whatever you want. It's just undefined. You can just keep it like that, but we're just going to have it 8 hours, whatever. So, cool thing is, once we got all this, we're going to hit apply. That's our guest network. I'm going to pull up my phone. We're going to test this sucker out right now. So I'm going to pull up my phone. Let's see here what we got. Okay. Now we're going to go to open up my settings, my connections. We're going to go here. I'm going to search and find that guest test. There it is. Where are you, guest test? There's guest test. I should get a link that should pop up here. There it is. Guess what? Click it. And there we go. We got our portal right here. It's freaking awesome. This thing looks so cool. I agree to accept these terms. Remember, all these colors of everything you can change in it. It might take you a couple times. Hit apply, come back into this, look until you have it set up, and then it's good and done. It's so cool. So I accept these terms, because I can't even put the password in until I accept the terms. So if I click the terms, it's going to tell me all the terms. By accessing this, I accept this, all this stuff. Pretty cool. Then we're going to go to, I have to click it again. Sorry. Okay. Test guest. I actually swiped up. There you go. So we're in it again. Okay. We're back in it. Okay. Accept the terms. I'm going to enter my password in. And it was GOKUPO, or is it Dragon? Let me see. I forget what I named it myself. Let's see. I think it's Dragon. Oh, look at that. Rocking and rolling because I put the password. Let's see if I put it in right. I think I did not put it in right. I'm pretty sure. Actually, I know I did not. See, incorrect. Let's do it again. Dragon. Connect. Connected. So now I am online. I am on that network now. I am connected, and we're rocking and rolling. So I think it's just a cool thing. Like, let's go to home. We'll make sure we go on the web. Go search something. Yeah, we'll search my channel. There we go. We already had it. There it is. Perfect. I can go in. There we go. We are on my channel. Just like that. And we're back online again. It's so cool. I just wanted to show you guys this. I just think this thing is just awesome. Like, it really will just bring your network up to the next level. But hey, if you guys like these videos, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my videos. This is just so cool, and it literally just brings up your network status of coolness to a business, a hotel. Well, hotel's a business too, but you know what I mean. Leisure hotspots, guest stuff, or just if you have a big house or a small house, and you're just like, look how cool professional my network is. Like, whoa. You can do family pictures in the background if you wanted to. Like, you're connecting to the guest network of boom, and have your family as group text, or I don't know. You could have whatever you want, customize it. But what I always say is, you and your family are having a rock and rollin' day today. I love you guys. I appreciate all the love. Appreciate the subscribers. Remember, I do this for you guys and for me because I enjoy it, and I forget things sometimes. There's so much network and computer stuff in this world, and any IT person will tell you the one thing they hate more than ever is when you're talking with somebody or a new program, or they get it and they're like, well, you don't know about this? I'm like, you know that there's probably like 1 billion different programs out there. Not even the best IT person in the world knows how to use every single program. Like, get out of here. Not even half of them guaranteed. I mean, there's a learning curve. You got to learn. There's things to forget. Certain programs are almost as similar, but certain things are different. So this is why I do it for my brain, that I know I can go back and look for it quick. So I hope these help out you guys too. But hey, I'll stop rambling. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.